intuitive nature wisdom channeling from a beautiful pheasant in my morning. Wondrous eyes, I see you. Deep soul love being, I feel you. With such natural wisdom innate. Move forward gently, peacefully, with loving purpose, supporting yourself, us, each member of the animal plant kingdom, each natural element, each breath of life, of love, the earth, the universe, the cosmos beyond. We are here for you. We love you. We are love. You are love. You are loved. And as you embrace our collective in love, for love, of love, so much love flows to you. Perhaps you notice it flowing down from the skies above, the sunlight, the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, filling you up with so much infinite, wondrous, beautiful, loving light, just for you in this moment. Flowing always for you, supporting you to tap into your highest positive abundance, purpose, beauty, love, true beauty. It all stems from love. Love, love, love. I love you. My beautiful rainbow-colored feathers refract the natural loving wisdom and beauty that you find all around you in your daily life. Each color loves you. Each hue, each breath, each tone, each rhythm and note. We all love you. We're here for you. And if you take a moment to pause, a moment to notice what is all around you, you will feel us. You will feel our love. You will feel our ongoing, infinite, loving support for you. We are always with you. You are always loved. And if any old doubt shifts into your day, remember, we love you. We love you. We love you. And each element, the wind, the sun, the rain, the snow, the sleet, the fog, the storms, the lightning, we love you. We reflect you. We refract your emotions, your feelings. And we're here to support you, to acknowledge, to accept, to process and release your feelings. For you in these moments are human. We see you. We love you. We're here to support you as you learn a new step in your life of love, of growth, of loving wisdom. We love you. We love you. We love you. With so much love, light, and gratitude for you, exactly as you are in this moment and in every moment thereafter. I'm Liz Clifton, Thank you so much for taking 3 for you with me today. Feel free, if it resonates, to follow, subscribe, and join me for more intuitive channeling from the beautiful oracle of Mother Nature and more self-care support. Bye for now.